welcome to my channel. Ayan, another video, another try on haul. So for today's video, ayan, may isa pang pack ako. Ito yung natitira doon sa anim, okay? Tapos na yung dalawa, so what na yung dalawa? Okay, this is large, guys. I got two. The one is pink, polka dots, wet black, polka dot. Ayan. This one naman is green. Wow. Ano to? Green, green, green. Ayan. So, ang ganda talaga. Unahin muna natin ang pink because pink is pink. Ayan. So, guys, this is large. Large na siya, guys. And then, maganda yung quality niya. Oo. The 95% cotton and 5% spandex. Yan siya. Very nice. Very cute. Ayun kung makita nyo. Ganyan sa likod, ayan, can you see? Very, very nice, guys. I like it so much. This one, ganito siya sa loob, ayan. Ganyan yung loob niya, and then very nice, very cute also, of course. So, ganyan siya, guys. So, very nice, and cute siya. And then yung isa, guys, ganito naman siya. Iba naman yung kanyang pattern. Black and, dark blue and green. Dark blue and green siya, ganyan. Iba din ang kanyang cuttings. Ayan. Same sila large. Same sila. Pero cute din. Malinis ang loob. Ayan. I really like this. If you are new to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Ayan. Comment heart if you like my video. Salamat. Isusuot din natin to. Ayan. Maganda talaga siya, guys. I really like this. Ganyan sa likod, ha? So, suot natin sila, guys, because I'm excited to wear this one. And of course, also, yes, let me know, ha, saan ang maganda. Let me know which one is better, this one or this one. Ayan. Let's go, rabad-dabango, char. Suotan natin to, guys. So, guys, of course, ito na yung pink. Ayan, pink. And polka dot wet red. Polka dot dark, the eye. Black. Oh, ganyan. Hindi mo nyo siya makita masyado, pero pag ilapit nyo makita niya yung polka dots. Very nice, very cute. Ayan. I like it. Maganda yung quality also. Black pink. Ayan, ganyan siya. Ayan, maganda yung kanyang fittings also. And then, of course, ganyan din dito sa likod. Pack. Sa likod naman, ayan, stunning talaga ang kanya. Partner pala siya sa ako, ang bra. I like it, guys. Very, very nice. Ayan. Maganda siya, guys. Ayan, maganda siya, guys. And then, of course, silicone. Nice, very cute. Yung kanyang dito, wow. Pak na pak. I like it. Suot natin ang isa. Let me know how, which one is better. If you like my video, comment heart. Sige, suot natin ang isa, guys. Yan. Ganyan sa likod, guys. Wow. Yan. Maganda ang kanyang, I really like also the color. Dark nga lang yung isa kay light kasi maganda talaga yun. Ayan. Maganda siya, guys. Very nice. Dito sa likod, guys, I like it. Yan, maganda siya talaga yung atake niya, guys. Yung lining siya dito is maganda talaga yan pa. Thank you for watching. Sending love, everyone. Salamat po. Thank you for watching, guys.